Hello guys, in today's video, we are going to present you the top 5 best gaming laptops under $2,000 available on the market. We made decisions our personal preference and solidly based on their prices, quality, durability, and repetition of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for upcoming video notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Acer Predator Helios 300 Gaming Laptop. Predator, owned by Acer, is a gaming-focused brand that manufactures a premium line of computer systems and hardware to meet the high demands of pro gamers. Acer Predator Helios 300 is equipped with the latest 10th Gen Intel Core i7 10750H processor with 6 cores for faster processing speed. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 is 6GB dedicated GDDR6 VRAM for supporting high graphics games. Besides, you can overclock to enhance its performance. There's also a 16GB DDR4 with dual-channel memory for running multiple tasks simultaneously. The laptop features a 15.6-inch Full HD screen with IPS display for better color reproduction and wide viewing angle. Plus, it has a brightness level of 300 nits, the high refresh rate of 144 Hz, and overdrive response time of 3 ms creates an immersive and responsive gaming experience. The storage capacity of 512 GB is sufficient for downloading and playing multiple games. It is equipped with DTS:X Ultratech for a 360-degree sound experience. The laptop comes with a backlit 4-zone keyboard with 2 integral keys, Turbo, and Predator Sense for effectively using it during gaming. Best features: 10th Gen 6-core Intel Core i7 10750H processor, 6GB GDDR6 NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 graphics card, 16GB DDR4 2933 MHz RAM, 512GB NVMe SSD, 15.6-inch Full HD screen with IPS display, 144 Hz refresh rate, and 3 ms response time. Number 2. Razer Blade 15 Base Gaming Laptop. Razer manufactures and sells a wide range of consumer electronics including laptops/desktops, Xbox/PS, mobile phones, audio devices, keyboards, mice, and other computer peripherals. Razer Blade laptop is equipped with the latest 10th Gen Intel Core i7 10750H processor for reliable and super fast performance. When it comes to gaming, you can play the most graphically demanding games thanks to the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060. Plus, it has 16GB DDR4 RAM for multitasking. The 512GB SSD ensures that you never run out of storage space. The laptop is equipped with a 15.6-inch Full HD with a high refresh rate of 144 Hz for a fluid gaming experience. It is made of a CNC aluminum unibody frame that not only makes it durable but also slim and lightweight. It has a thickness of only 0.78 inches. The laptop has USB Type-A and Type-C ports, HDMI port, Thunderbolt 3, Gigabit Ethernet, and Wi-Fi 6. You can customize the backlight color of the keyboard using Razer Chroma to make it unique. Best features: 10th Gen Intel Core i7 10750H processor, 16GB 2933 MHz DDR4 RAM, 6GB NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 graphics card, 512GB SSD, 15.6-inch Full HD with 0.78-inch thickness, 144 Hz refresh rate, Type-A and Type-C ports, HDMI port, Thunderbolt 3, Gigabit Ethernet, and Wi-Fi 6. Number 3. Asus ROG Strix Scar 15 Gaming Laptop. ROG, a brand developed by Asus in 2006, specifically caters to the needs of gamers by offering a wide range of products including computer systems, hardware components, and other peripherals. The brand's products feature stylish designs with vibrant colors. ROG Strix Scar 15 Gaming Laptop is powered by the latest 10th Gen Intel Core i7 10875H processor to provide the ultimate level of performance. It is equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 8GB card with 1140 MHz base and 1380 MHz boost to fuel the gaming performance. The 16GB DDR4 RAM ensures the system does not slow down even when you run multiple apps simultaneously. With the 1TB SSD, You can download as many games and movies as you want. This laptop display has a high refresh rate of 240 Hz along with overdrive response time of 3 ms for the ultimate immersive gaming experience. Besides, the 15.6-inch screen has an IPS display with a full HD resolution. It uses the ROG intelligent cooling system to maintain the system temperature even during long gaming sessions. For connectivity, you get 4 USB 3.2 ports, HDMI 2.0 port, and a display port, along with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5. The RGB keyboard has the Aura Sync system for customization. Best features: 10th Gen Intel Core i7-10875H processor, 16GB DDR4, 3200 MHz RAM, 8GB NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 card, 1TB PCIe SSD, 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display, 240 Hz refresh rate and 3 ms response time, 4 USB 3.2 ports, HDMI 2.0 port, and a display port, along with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5. Number 4. Omen 15 Gaming Laptop. Omen is HP premium gaming brand under which it manufactures and sells high-performance gaming laptops. The brand also develops reliable and powerful gaming accessories that give you an edge in competitive multiplayer games. Omen 15 laptop is powered by 10th Gen Intel Core i7-10750H processor to deliver high processing power to your system, with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 Super 8GB card. You can witness the next-gen gaming with utmost realism. It has 32GB DDR4 RAM to execute demanding tasks flawlessly. It comes with a decent storage capacity of 512GB that is sufficient to store multiple games, along with media files. Omen 15 gaming laptop has one of the highest refresh rates with 300 Hz and response time of 3 ms for the most immersive and responsive gameplay. Besides, it has a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with 78% screen-to-body ratio. For smooth and fast connectivity, the laptop features Thunderbolt 3-port, USB Type-C, and type of ports, 3.5 microphone jack, mini display port, and HDMI 2.0. Plus, you get Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5 for wireless connectivity. The laptop is equipped with a 4-zone backlit keyboard with 26-key rollover anti-ghosting key technology and outline wasp keys for highlighting gaming controls. The laptop is backed by a 1-year limited hardware warranty from the original date of purchase. Best features: 10th Gen Intel Core i7-10750H processor, 32GB DDR4 2933 MHz RAM and 512GB SSD, 8GB GDDR6 NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 Supercard, 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with 78% screen-to-body ratio, 300 Hz refresh rate and 3 ms response time, Thunderbolt 3-port, USB Type-C and type of ports, 3.5 microphone jack, mini display port, and HDMI 2.0, 4-zone backlit keyboard, 1-year warranty. Number 5. HP Pavilion Gaming 16 Laptop PC. The Gaming 16 Laptop. HP Pavilion is a line of consumer-focused laptops and desktop computers. HP Pavilion laptops are known for their lightweight and portable design along with the affordable price tag. HP Pavilion's gaming laptop is powered by an Intel Core i7-10750H processor for completing the task faster. The processor has 6 cores with dual bandwidths, 2.6 GHz and 5 GHz. The dedicated 6GB GDDR6 NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti delivers a realistic gaming experience. It is equipped with a 16GB DDR4 RAM that can be upgraded to 32GB. There's a 512GB SSD that allows you to store multiple large-sized games on your laptop. The gaming laptop features a 16.1-inch Full HD IPS display with OLED backlight function. It offers a peak brightness of 250 nits along with 45% NTSC for experiencing the detailing of the game. Plus, the 80% screen-to-body ratio and 60 Hz refresh rate provides an immersive and fluid gaming experience. It has multiple connectivity options including Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, WLAN adapter, USB Type-C, USB Type-A, HDMI 2.0, Ethernet, AC Smart Pin, and 3.5mm audio jack. The laptop comes with an island-style, acid green backlit keyboard with numeric keypad. It is backed by a 1-year limited hardware warranty from the original date of purchase. Best features: 10th generation Intel Core i7 10750H processor, 16GB DDR4 2933 MHz RAM, 6GB GDDR6 NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti card, 512GB SSD, 16.1-inch Full HD IPS display with WLED backlight function, 60 Hz refresh rate, 250 nits peak brightness, and 45% NTSC. Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, WLAN adapter, USB Type-C, USB Type-A, HDMI 2.0, Ethernet, AC Smart Pin, and 3.5mm audio jack. 1-year warranty.